Hi, this is Huck from Wildland Homestead, and I'm going to show you how to can peaches. So first, you rinse them off.
Hot water.
Hot water. Right here, I've already did our first step. Cut it in two. Then I personally like the center, like this part, like around that to be cut out, because I am not a big fan of having that stuff. I just don't like it. So I take a knife, and then I almost pick it up out of it. And I did this one already. Now I'll show you the first process. You cut it in two. Like normally your peach would have a line right here. So I just cut on that line. And you get a perfectly straight cut, and it comes out easier. In fact, I was holding it together for half that time. Then in this right here, I have peaches that we did the whole process on, except for like the canning. My mom.
So after you cut it in half.
Yes, and then I take the center out and everything. She does the, she peels.
Just going through and peeling the skin off of the halved peaches that Huck has done. We're keeping a pile of our peach skins for, what are we keeping them for?
Me to eat.
And for
our chickens. Okay, so see right here, I did this process. Now I'll hand it over to my mom. Normally she's got one ready for me. Okay,
I've got a pile for you.
She got more than I thought ready for me. And then I find how it was and I cut it in two. Then I flip it over. If you want, you don't have to do it how I am. I just like to do it so it looks like canned peaches that you buy at the store. So I cut it, find the center, chop it in two, and it makes a perfectly seamed. This job's probably the easiest. And then, in a little bit, like before we start like actually canning them, my mom will make a simple syrup. Then we'll pour it in that.
We'll put the peaches in a jar.
Yep.
And then pour the what?
Syrup in.
Yep.
Simple syrup into the jar. We haven't tried making peaches before, but my mom.
I've always done peach jam, peach pie filling. We freeze peaches, but this is our first time doing canned peaches. But I decided this year that we would do that because it's one of Huck's favorite
things to eat.
Yep. So we're trying this.
And then I will show you a video of when we are doing the like syrup and everything. Okay, here we are at our second part of the process where we're gonna make simple sugar and then can. Okay, so right here we have 3 cups of water, and then this is a half cup right here. So we're gonna do half of 3 cups. 3 cups. So I'm gonna do 1. I'm gonna do 3 half cups.
So that totals 3 cups of water and how many cups of sugar?
3.
1.5.
Oh yeah, 1.5.
Yep. Okay. I'm gonna stir it up till the sugar dissolves. How did the peach skins taste?
Delicious. Don't add a little bit of salt on it. Wait, no, sugar.
Sugar. Is it dissolved? Do you want me to stir it while you pack the peaches in the jar? Yeah.
I thought you should pack the peaches in my mouth.
This is hot. Okay.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay, we might need some more peaches.
Okay. Will you just show us how to do the one and then I'll take care of the other one?
Okay.
Start over.
Where's the tool? I need that.
We're just gonna pour this. Ready? We just want to cover the peaches, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll try now. There we go. And what do we have to do with the rim of the mason jar?
So, we have this tool we use.
I already have it. We have to wipe the rim, right?
Yes.
What's the purpose of wiping the rim?
I don't know.
So that it'll seal better in case there's any parts debris.
Okay, right here, I have a mitten on because this tool, they won't come off without a mitten. So I'm gonna stick this in here. We have 2 lids. So I'm gonna dump all the water off. I'm gonna set it on. Sometimes it's still a little hot, but then I position it with the mitt. Dump the water.
We don't have any peaches in there.
Oh.
And then it's usually hot, so I do this part. And then we dump them in our hot water bath. And we are going to, you make sure you have at least 1 to 2 inches of water above your jar. Pop it in there, and then we're going to can it for 30 minutes. And then this is what your finished product looks like. Canned peaches, shelf stable.
And as you can see, our butterflies just came out of their chrysalises.
Yeah. All right. What do you say?
Bye. See you tomorrow.